welcome class 11 Commerce. Today in this class, the topic of discussion will be the features of cooperative society, that is from business studies. In my last class, I have introduced cooperative society chapter to you. I have explained what this cooperative society is. And today in this class, I am going to discuss about the features of cooperative society, which are very important to be learned or to be remembered. So one by one, I'll try to explain the salient features of cooperative society. The topic is features of cooperative society. Features of cooperative society. Features of cooperative society. So this is my topic today. So there are various features of cooperative society. As I have told you in the last class also, that the distinctive features, among all the distinctive features of this cooperative society, the first important feature is that it is a voluntary association. It is a voluntary association. It is a voluntary association. Now, voluntary association means essentially to improve the economic status of all the members in the society. This type of association has been opened. This is common to all. Everyone is free to join a cooperative society, but after giving a proper notice. So anyone can be a part of this. Anyone willingly can be a part of this cooperative society. That's why it is called a voluntary association. Coming to the second feature of this cooperative society, and that is religious and political neutrality. Religious and political neutrality. This type of association is free from any kind of barriers. There are no caste and creed and religion and political affiliation to be maintained. Always, all the members, any new members can join the society irrespective of caste, creed, class of the society. Anyone can be the member of the society. No political affiliation is required. No religious barrier is there. Anyone is free to join this society. That's why it is called neutrality. Religious and political neutrality. This is a neutral society. It is open to all. Next important point is, I have told you in my first class also that this type of society is backed by service motive. Service motive. And not any profit motive. Service motive. This society has service motive. This is established primarily with a view to render service to the members in a particular society. Its motive is each for all and all for each. This organization doesn't run for any kind of profit. The evils of earning profit more and more, exploiting the society, is not a job of this type of society. This type of society is meant for rendering service to all its members who are the part of the society. So service motive is the primary and the most important motive of this society. Next is equal voting right. The next important feature is equal voting right. Every member of this organization has the right to vote. The management and control of the cooperative society lies in the hands of the managing committee, and the members of this committee are elected by the members of the society. Now, this kind of cooperative society is democratic in nature. Democracy means everyone is having the equal voting right. As you know that our country is a democratic country, and we all have, after a certain age, we all have a voting right, equal voting right for all. So in the case of this cooperative society also, every member, decided by the management, that every member of this society have equal voting right. They have equal voting right in each and every decision making stage. So this is another important feature of cooperative society, that is equal voting right. Next point is distribution of surplus. Distribution of surplus. Now, what is the meaning of surplus? Surplus means a nominal profit, which is a small proportion of profit which is required to run a business. It is a normal profit which is required, which is a feed of the business. So if this kind of surplus is there, if this kind of surplus is earned in the business, the little amount of profit which is earned through after the distribution of goods and services, whatever little amount of profit earned, that is distributed among the members equally. So if there is any surplus, all the members are entitled to get that surplus. There is no huge amount of profit that is earned, as these kind of organizations have only service motive, but relatively the members contribute to the capital, and from that capital production takes place, and these produced goods are distributed among the members with a very low marginal profit compared to the profit in the market compared to the price prevailing in the market. So it is the goods which are produced are distributed among the members at a very low price, which is comparatively very low from the market price. So profit is obviously very low compared to the market price. So that little profit, that nominal profit, is called the surplus, which is equally distributed among all the members of this cooperative society. Now coming to the next point, that is separate legal entity. Separate legal entity. In the last few types of forms of business unit, that is partnership and sole proprietorship, the business and the owner was not different, was not distinctive. They were treated as one body. The business was not separate from its owners. In case of whether you talk about partnership or sole proprietorship, the owner were not separate from the business. They were treated as one. But when it comes to cooperative society or any kind of joint stock company, the company or the society is completely distinctive from its owner. The society has a separate legal entity, a separate legal identity than its owner. The owner is not treated as same with the cooperative society. And the society can sue others and also can be sued by others, and the owners have nothing to do with that. This is decided by the Cooperatives Act 1912, which I have said you in the last class, Cooperative Society Act 1912. So these are the important features. Along with these, some other points are also there, like limited liability, cash trading, transfer of share. Many important features are also there. That also you can add in this point, or you can go with this point also, because features of cooperative can maximum come for 4 marks. So for 4 marks, 6 points are enough. So if you go through these points, which I have explained in this through this video, so that will be enough for you. If you want to give more point, you can give more point, but with a limited span of time, you can give only some few points, only restricted points. So it is better if you restrict yourself within these points and try to explain these points if the question comes regarding the features of cooperative society. So whatever I have explained today about the features, I think you have understood. Through a PDF, I am going to provide you the notes for definition and features of these cooperative society. So download the PDF with the videos so that you can get proper answers and do the homework. Till then, goodbye.